In this video, I'll show you how to watch NBA games on Peacock. Step 1. Subscribe to Peacock Premium. Sign up for a Peacock Premium plan. NBA games stream live on Peacock starting with the 2025-26 season. Select games are exclusive to the service. Step 2. Log into your Peacock account. Open the Peacock app or go to peacocktv.com and sign in using your email and passwords. Step 3. Find scheduled NBA games. Use the Sports or NBA section to browse upcoming live games and on-demand replays. Schedule highlights including Peacock NBA Monday, Coast to Coast Tuesday, Sunday Night Basketball, the NBA All-Star Game, and playoff matchups. Step 4. Start streaming. Click Watch Live on any scheduled game to join the broadcast or watch replays of recent matchups. Some Mondays and Tuesdays are exclusive to Peacock. Other major games air on NBC and stream on Peacock. Step 5. Supported devices. Stream NBA games on your smart TV, streaming boxes, mobile devices, tablets, and desktop browsers. You can update your Peacock app for full compatibility. I have some tips for streaming NBA on Peacock. You have up to 100 games streamed on Peacock from 2025 to 26, including exclusive matchups and the NBA All-Star Game. Access Spanish language broadcasts on Telemundo via Peacock. Review the NBC Sports schedule to track major games and playoff events. And that's how you watch NBA on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.